Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account details and reason for disconnection. This speeds the process. Once you have your account number, ID, and the latest bill, call Pldt customer service or log into your account portal. Make sure to note a preferred disconnection date and whether you want a temporary suspension or permanent termination. You do this because accurate info prevents delays and extra charges, and choosing the correct type avoids unnecessary reconnection fees. So prepare clearly and proceed to contact Pldt now. Once done with preparation, submit the formal disconnection request through the channel you chose. You should state your account number, the exact service address, your government ID details, the desired disconnection date, and the reason. Make sure to ask explicitly for a confirmation or reference number and an estimated final billing date. This is crucial for tracking and disputes. If you use email or a written letter, keep copies. If you call, record the agent's name and confirmation code for follow-up. To finish, verify the final bill and any outstanding charges, and return rental equipment like modems to avoid ongoing fees. Once Pldt confirms disconnection, double-check the account status and keep the confirmation number and email for your records. If service remains active past the agreed date, escalate promptly. Use your confirmation proof to request supervisor intervention and follow up with written complaints. This protects you from wrongful billing and ensures a clean, documented termination of service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.